Egg and cabbage pie. It's very fragrant. First, cut cabbage into thin slices. Add 1 spoon of salt. Marinate for 10 minutes. Wash and squeeze water. Cut 1 onion into thin slices. Cut cloves of garlic. Crack 2 eggs. Remove the white dots. Beat it quickly. Heat pan, heat oil. Stir-fry ground pork. Add 1 spoon of dark soy sauce. Add onion. Add washed, squeezed water cabbage. Quickly stir-fry it, mix it evenly. Take it out. Fry the 2 eggs. Add fried cabbage. Wait one side egg is hot. Flip to the other side. Fry the other side about 20 seconds. Take it out. This looks like a golden sun. It tastes fragrant. Have you watched the clips today? I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. I wish you happy every day.